Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a different kind of video. Normally I'll do a fitness or yoga video, but today I'm gonna do a dance fitness video. Yes, dancing is something that I do a lot and it helps me to stay toned and fit. So I like to just do little stupid, silly moves at home, but also great moves to keep my legs toned, my tummy toned, keep my butt looking good. I like to incorporate all sort of dance moves in my life. I'm Jamaican, so I know a little bit about to shake the booty. I know how to do a little bit of soca. I also know how to do the crazy dance moves everyone's doing these days. I don't want to be a thought, so I try to be a bit responsible. So I just do these just to keep myself looking good, feeling great, and it is sort of a mood booster as well. So a lot of females ask me in my group of how to get thick, fit, and tone on Facebook. You can follow me on that group where they ask me how to stay fit because a lot of people can't actually go to the gym. A lot of people can't do strenuous exercises and yoga. So they want other ways to stay fit, to look good and feel toned. Well, not feel toned, but be toned. And I told them dancing is one of the main ways a lot of dancers especially stay fit, because you wonder, how did they get that dancer's body, or how does a ballerina get that body, or a yogi? It's because they incorporate a lot of movements in their routine and their exercises that make them toned, streamlined, and it sculpts their body. And dancing can do that, especially like belly dancing, moving the belly, also keeping the core engaged. That helps to get the belly nice and toned, get sort of love angles or muffin tops, whatever you want to call it these days. And it helps me after having 3 kids, because I'm gonna tell you, my belly wasn't this toned, but incorporating all of that helped me. Slow whining is something that's good as well. It's similar to belly dancing, but it's more slow. And yeah, you can just make sure you just move. I like to do these crazy dance moves because they keep my legs toned. And squatting, soca is definitely a good dancing technique. I give all applaud to all these people that do carnivals, because you need so much stamina, you need all this energy to keep going, and your body is on point. Have you ever seen those people that do carnivals and do all these other festivals and stuff? They dance their asses off. So that's what I'm doing at home, because I can't afford a gym right now, and I got babies and toddlers, and I can't be going out. I do not have anybody to babysit, so let me just do what I can do. And I thought I'll share this with you guys. I hope this video was helpful. Yes, I'm not a thought. I'm just do shaking what my mama gave me, my little booty. And this weight gain is not something I want to play with this time around. I want to make sure that I gain weight in the right places, but I don't want to do too much cardio. And this is a cardio. This is a lot of cardio, okay? But it's helping me just to burn some extra pounds and fat off in certain areas, especially around my tummy. As I said, I want to keep my tummy nice and trim, but I want to keep the gains that I've been getting on my booty. Yes, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. The only problem is this Primark jeans doesn't fit that great, but hopefully I'll fill it out properly soon. I am loving how I'm looking, guys. Thank you so much for following my journey. If you have any questions, suggestions, please comment down below. Also give my video a thumbs up. I'm so grateful for you guys for watching this video. And if you want any more lookbooks, any more exercises, any more foods that I eat, or anything of that sort, please do not hesitate to ask me. But yeah, that was it. Hope this video was helpful again. Don't mind the little thing on the floor. I am just showing off my body and feeling proud of myself. And thank you so much for following my journey.